preposition should be used is by. That all means indicates the mode of travel. For example, we traveled to Boston by train. So with any of these vehicles, the right preposition is by. We talked about the common uses. Now here comes common expressions with this preposition by. First one, by then, which means before a time in the past or future. It can be either past or future before that time. For example, I will graduate from the university in 2023. By then, I hope to have found the job. So again, by then means before the time in the past or in the future. The second expression is by way of. By way of means via. For example, we are traveling to Atlanta by way of Baton Rouge. By way of Baton Rouge. So by way of can be used interchangeably of via. Third is by the way. That means incidentally. Incidentally. Example, by the way, I have got 2 tickets for Saturday's game. Would you like to go with me? Fourth expression, by far, means considerably. By far means considerably. For example, this book is by far the best on the subject. Then the last expression is by accident or by mistake. It means not intentionally, opposite of on purpose. For example, nobody will receive a check